tomato. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Mountain Jewish people use India the messages ago.
Is it Jewish?
Yes, Jewish, mud bells. I think you are interested in this.
They rushed to the synagogue. What were the innocent people hoping for? The commander of the army of Nadir Shah was frightened and said, "What did I do? I hit the holy book." And Reuben answered him, "You have committed a sin. Repent, and punishment will not overtake you." "The book is a sign from above. I repent. I will not do harm to you anymore." Then the commander of the army, Nadir Shah, gave the order not to touch the Jews and other people who lived in Kusar.
People in 1920 years, they would start also. In here, you will get informed about Mad Root. In 20th centuries, mountain Jewish people cultivated in this area and also in Derbent. Derbent city situated in Russian area, but still 80. This is the tobacco torch. Yeah, tobacco pipes. Intercom, pipes, the sizes also you are looking. This is the kosher wine. In 19th and 20th centuries, mountain Jewish people made kosher wine in Derbent, in Quba, in these areas also. So Miller, Indianismo, Felix Shapiro. Felix Shapiro is a famous on Jewish study, and also was translated from Juhuri to the Russian language. I want to say you in there you can get informed about mountain Jewish person. They are living in there 300 maybe more years. Also they take it the Azerbaijan cultures, Azerbaijan dishes. Yeah. Yeah. With Juhuri, no mishmichunim. There's also some words. Juhuri for the English. This is our first biggest synagogue. Also, for inform, I want to show you, still today in this village, total 13 synagogues we had. Was published in Baku, in Quba, between 1931 and 1938. The local newspaper Rah Collectively. The path of collectivism. Yeah, you know this guy?
Yes.
Again, Soviet government killed him.
Yep.
Yeah, this picture, his family in Turkmenistan also. The village killed 40 families inside the brick fabric. In Bagdumovka village, killed 470 people. In Pefievka, in Ukraine, killed 114 Jewish people by German troops.
So this is the Russian, Ukraine,
Russia.
but this was all the Soviet Union.
Yes, before yes.
So everything SSR is Soviet
Socialist Republic.
Republic, yes.
In the Second World War, Jewish people fought together with Britain troops in the Second World War to the German troops. This is the some letters. Yeah, this is the letter bags. In there you can read Martha's name in the Second World War. Also, once the Israeli troops name there. Used this music instructor on their weddings. In there, also he was studied middle school in here, but after he was studied in Russia, in Moscow, orthopedist and dermatologist science. He was made Elizarov instructor for the broken arms, broken legs for the restore. Was opened in Baku 2011 years. It was made by Azerbaijan government for the mountain Jewish people. Its name is New Baku Synagogue. From outside, also maybe you have permission, Ashkenazi Jewish, Sephardi Jewish, Mountain Jewish, and also Bukhara Jewish. Bukhara Jewish living in Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan.
Yes.
Actually, also they are speaking with Uzbek, Turkmen language mixed, like as Yiddish.